Today, I want to show you 6 ways to improve your customer experience in your e-commerce. How? With augmented reality. So, who I am? I'm Antonio Furioso, founder of Eyedex, and I help business to implement augmented reality in their businesses, of course. So, let's get into it and let's start it. So, here is my screen, and as you can see, here we have 6 ways to improve your brand customer experience with 3D experiences and augmented reality. So let's start with the first experiences from here that are, okay, engaging brand with augmented reality. So using augmented reality to create interactive experiences like games, social filters, advertising, also engaging advertising like games. And this is allow you to engage your customers in a different way than usual, and allow you to build trust with your potential customers or your existing customers. Then we have a second way that again we can create some social media activities. So here are always like virtual try-on or like filters where users can always interact with the brand. So like before, this is an experience to create trust. As you can see here, there is like an example, and you can create, of course, filters for like, as you can see here, mask or games. As you can see on Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok every day, that are the funny filters where people share between them and that allow them to create trust with the brand. Then we have immersive physical catalogs. So what does it mean? It means that if you have physical catalogs, you can enhance it with augmented reality. So for example, you have in a catalog some furniture, and you can, instead of setting a QR code that redirect the users to your website, you can set a QR code that allow user to see your products in their space, so in augmented reality. So for example, a customer's, a user's person is seeing your catalog, and they can scan the QR code on the catalog and see how the sofa would look in their space, in their living room. So this is basically the immersive physical catalogs that I call catalogs 3.0. Then we have normal virtual try-ons. Usually these are embedded on the website, so on your e-commerce, for example, and can be all kind of wearable like hat, earrings, necklace, sunglasses, so eyewears, watches, and so on, and also makeup that allow user to preview how they are with your sunglasses, for example. So this is reduce the time since they are coming on your website and then they purchase your product. Then we have a normal and a more basic augmented reality experience. So like before in the catalogs, like here we are on your website, and for example there is a button that is like view in your space, where user, for example, is looking at the phone on your e-commerce and looking for some chair, for example, and they can click on that button and preview again in their room. Or if they are like from desktop, and they can view that chair always like in 3D, or directly they can scan a QR code from the computer with their phone always, and of course preview the chair in their room. Then a final and sixth way to improve your customers' experience is to improve your product information. So, for example, in this case, we can improve, insert a QR code on the package and build an augmented reality experience around that packages. So we can put some like information in the augmented reality experience, or create a game, or even, for example, if you imagine like it's an IKEA product that you have to build on your own, and you will see how to build in augmented reality. That will be much useful to a person, to people, instead of like reading the instruction. So this is our sixth way to improve your brand customer experience with 3D and augmented reality. But of course, what I usually advise is to start with one way, and usually with the most simplest way, that are like virtual try-ons or normal view in your space experiences, also the catalogs. Then expand to social filters, games, to make your user engage and create trust with your brand. So the key secret here to leverage augmented reality is just to commit to augmented reality. So start with it, because users are asking even more about these experiences, and then step by step build more experience to entertain them and catch more their attention, so that they will buy more from you. So this is all from today's video, and I hope you learned something. So see you at the next video.